So, hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior Design. Thank you for the support you are giving toward this time. Imagine it's only just 5 subscribers and then we reach a 2000 subscribers. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you have subscribed to this channel and then make sure you have turned that notification bell so as whenever I post this incredible content, will be the first one to be uploaded. And then make sure you have comment anything you see maybe you have just gone wrong, we can just discuss, and then we have either my view, I give you my point, and then you give me your point, and then we communicate, and then we see how it will be. So over here we have a 3-bedroom house with a kitchen, a dining, and a sitting room, and then it has a toilet inside, and then a master bedroom. It's also ensuite, and then it has a rear porch at the end over there. So I will give you a house tour, and then I will give you let's say a total cost up to now where this house is. So over here, this is the front porch. Like you can see, it has a beautiful welcoming. Like you can see, it's just a welcoming. Like you can see, even your place there a mirror, like you can see, so as to bring that to be like at least a beautiful scenario. See, you can see over here, and then there's a floodlight over here there to project the lights on this end. And then here we have these two the pillars is over here. So we decided to go with the 2 at end and then a single one at here, so as to have a balance in weight for this entire corridor. And then like you can see, this is the footstep. This is the stairs that will come you towards this house. So I will welcome you, and then you see, and then you can come and show them the corridor. This balcony, like you can see, we have done a gypsum work, like you can see over there. We have done. Let me put it on, and then you see, like you can see, we have put there a light, and then you have done a ceiling, a hanging rose that over there, and then like you can see, this is the design, a simple design, so as to have at least a good picture. And then over here, this is a window that will come you towards this sitting room, which is a sitting room. So the sitting room has 2 windows. The first one is over here, and then you have an L shape over here there, because it was a shorter, so we decided to have an L to have let's say a light concentration to the room, to the sitting room. So this is the door. Like you can see, it is a steel door. This one, I guarantee a total 100% safety. No one can come and break this door. Like you can see, these are round tubes. Like you can see, they are so heavy, and then we went with the heavy gauge, like you can see over here. So it is a double door, like you can see over there. And then we put this a mirror. It is a 2-in-1. So while you are inside, you can see the one who is outside, but when you are outside, you can't see one who is inside. So that is the good thing that we did with this mirror. And then like you can see, this is the welcoming. This is a corridor. This is the first corridor. It has 2 corridors. It's an L corridor. So this is the first one, and the second one is just over here. So this is the corridor that you can see. We have done a lighting, gypsum, everything. And then for your information, I think we have done everything. The only thing that is remaining is just finishing for the paint work, the last coat of the paint, and then everything will be fine. Like you can see here, we have some dirtiness, so that will be the last option. We have remained with only painting work, the last paint. And then like you can see, we have done diamond lights, and then like you can see, this is the 4 black chandelier. Like you can see, it changes its color. You can see, just very looks nice. And then we have a snake light. We decided to go with the warm, and then our wall brackets, like you can see, they are changing. So that was in pink, that is white and pink, and that is white. And then our downlights, they are even 3-in-1. So that is white, that is warm, and that is daylight. So it has 3-in-1 color. And then here we have this beautiful arc that will come towards this sitting room. Like you can see, we have done painting work. Like you can see, we done more very beautiful molding on here, so as to have that. You feel that this is like an house. This is like a bungalow. So like you can see over inside over here. So this is the sitting room. Like you can see, it's just quite spacious over here. Like from up to that point up to here, of which this point will be the provision for the TV. And then this will be for the antenna. This will be for the provision for the antenna. And then there will be another, let's say, there will be a socket over there. We always provide two double sockets, two sockets in each room, so as to have a bigger utilization for the. We want to plug a socket, a TV, everything you can have it. And then like you can see our wall brackets, like you can see there are so much giving over there. So we decided to go with this end blue, and then the other end we decided to have a warm color. And then at the centerpiece we have this beautiful chandelier. Like you can see there, it's just big, and then it's Bluetooth. You can connect with your device. So let me. Like you can see, you can connect your phone over there, and then you can listen your music while you are seated in this sitting room. And then like over here, this is the L-shape. This was the L-shaped window that I was told you earlier. Like you can see, it's an L-shape. So like even you see, it's just a giving in picture over here, so as to have the light penetration to over here, because this entire wall, it has another bedroom over here, So we decided to put there an L-shaped window, and to have so as to, this one will be supporting, the L-shape will be supporting the light on this here, on this sitting room. So I will be then at opposite we have this is a dining room. Like you can see, it's just quite spacious as normal size. Even this one is not normal. This one is a bigger size. Like you can see, it has some windows. Like you can see over there, we have already done our grills, and then a sliding windows. Like you can see, they are now operating. And then up there we have our lighting system. Like you can see, it's just working. Like you can see over there, that is a 3-blade chandelier over there. And then even the downlights are changing its color. So guys, if you want these such a services, our number is on our bio. You can contact us, and then you will have a beautiful. You can just contact us, and then we talk. If there's one renovation, we want anything, we can just DM, and then we talk. And then here, this is the hand basin that will be serving the people who will be using this dining room. And then over here, this is a serving window. So to operate the serving window, you must be in the kitchen to open, so as to bring food over here, or you have any communication. You can't just open your dining. You must enter on the other side of the kitchen to operate it or communicate with the one who is on the dining room. And then over here, now this is another corridor that I told you earlier. This is corridor 2, of which you can see just has to separate. So on the other end, we have 2 bedrooms, and then there's another public toilet over here. Over there, as you can see, and then this is the beautification that we did on this corridor. It has these 2 hanging roofs over there, and then over here we have a master bedroom. But let me first take you towards this kitchen. As you can see, the door, as you can see, we did with this plain door over here, and then we put another mirror over here, so as to just to close this opening end over there. So this is just our kitchen. like you can see, it's just quite much enough spacious to accommodate this house. And then like you can see, we have not yet done our wardrobes over there, but we'll done it later. And then over here, this will be the space for the cooker over there. And then for plumbing work, like you can see, the water is running, is already running. The plumbing work they have finished today. Like you can see, it's already operating. This is the window, and then the tiles, like you can see. And then here we didn't go with just the molded, how do you call it? There's this thing that we place on the top of table. So we just went with my marble. So we just went with this tiling system only. So this is the wire I told you. Whoever will be using this kitchen is the one who will open this window and then communicate with the one who will be in the dining room over there. You can't access this service from this kitchen if you are not if you are in dining until you come or communicate with the one who will be using the dining room. So at the end over here, this is the pantry. Like you can see, this is our pantry. This is our pantry for specification, like you can see. And then this is a window, so to have a circulation at this. And then this is the rear porch that leads us towards outside of this this mansion over there. So I'm going. So guys, up to there. Make sure if you are watching up to that end, make sure you subscribe. I will appreciate you so much if we reach today, let's say like those 2,000 subscribers. And then here, so while we are considering to build this house, the door was over here, but we just have a meeting, and then we just at least to hide the door that will be leading towards this master bedroom. So we extend a little bit at the end so as to have a privacy for the one who will be operating the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. As you can see, this is the master bedroom. It's just quite spacious. As you can see, this is the master bedroom. Like you can see, it's just quite huge. And now it happened. Let's say for the design, this is our window. Like you can see, this is the window. It's so much big. You can see it's a 6x4 window. Like you can see, it's just big. So maybe if you want to place your bed over here, maybe over here you still have your spaces over there, and then other end. And then here, this is the space for the wardrobes only. We place our wardrobes. As you can see, we have done this platform for our wardrobes to come and sit on. And then here we have this. This is the master toilet. Like you can see, we have done our plumbing work of everywhere. Like you can see, everything is working. This is the toilet. As you can see over there, it's already working. Yeah, and then this is Arabic shower. As you can see, it's already working. And then here we have placed these 3 points here, here, and here. We just improvise this. You can use it for, let's say, for placing your soaps or something over here. Maybe you are brushing materials, you'll be used over here, and you place it over here. And then this is our shower. As you can see, it's just operating and it looks so amazing, guys. Like you can see on this video, it's operating even now. And then we have our tap over here. As you can see, then the water is running. And then this is our hand basin. As you can see, even it's operating. So guys, don't mind with the dirtiness of this thing. I will give you a full house tour when we have done everything in this entire entire side, and then we see how it is. So I'm going to bring the other bedroom. This is the bedrooms for the public, let's say for visitors and then for the children. So let me start with this for these bedrooms for public. Let's say public. This is a public toilet. As you can see, this is water. This is a hand basin of which is running water over there, and then this is the toilet. As you can see, I think the water is I don't know what is happening. And then this is the Arabic shower. As you can see, it's already operating. And then this is the shower. As you can see, the water is they are even working. So I will just go up towards this our first bedroom, of which can use for the visitors room. And then as you can see, this is the visitors room. It can accommodate even 2 beds, and then even if you want to just have a double decker, you can come and have. And then they have 2 windows on the other side. This is window 1, and then this is window 2. And then this is the platform for the wardrobe. So wardrobe will be so much big. It will run from this end up to this other end. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and then at the end here we have this let's say you can use it like for children's bedroom. Like you can see, we painted it pink in color, and then it has only 1 window that you can see over there, and then this is the platform for to carry our wardrobe. So guys, up to there, consider subscribing, liking, share, comment, even criticize us so as whenever you have maybe seen any problem, criticize it. So our number is 0746289667. 0746289627. Maybe you are in another country, you can start with +254 46289667. Make sure you have even follow us on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. We are there. So thank you. Let's meet in the next video. God willing. Bye bye.